guys, today my sister is gonna be showing you her fidgets.
Hi everybody, so I'm going to start with I guess this. First it's this mochi. It's so cute. It's so squishy and sticky, like it can stick to anything. And
Wait, should we show them how it sticks?
No. Okay. And I have this dimple.
It's not the real one because we got it at Toys Lab.
It actually is.
No, it's not. I don't see the dimple logo.
It is.
Okay, continue.
Alright, I have this heart puppet. And it's super nice. Like I like all the pops, like the quiet ones and the loud ones.
It used to be mine, but we traded.
Yeah.
But now she doesn't want to trade back.
Okay, so I have this snapper. It's really good. I like it. I like that it's rainbow. So yeah. And I have another mochi, a yellow one. It came with the gray one too, and I know it's dirty. They're both. I don't know if you can see, but they're both very dirty.
So freaking dirty.
Dirty. So yeah. This actually is homemade. It's like the octopus one.
I made it for her.
Yeah. And it's pretty good actually. I have this puzzle ball. I mean, it's normal. Like, I solve it very quickly.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sometimes I even she gives it to me so I can mix it up, and then she makes it in 2 minutes or something.
And I have this fidget spinner. It says, I love. So I have this puppet. The pops are pretty good too. So yeah. And listen. Okay. And I have this triple dimple. It's very loud in the loud side, like it's hella loud. So yeah. I have this infinity cube. I like it because it's fast and it's not hard.
It's fast but not furious.
No, not furious.
Like Fast and Furious.
And I have this snake. I can make it into a square. So
yes,
yeah,
seriously.
I really like this snake. I always do shapes.
And she can even make it into a straight line.
Yeah, it's easy actually.
Yeah, because I've done it.
I have this stress ball. I put it into a bag because if it pops,
because it literally pops and the slime inside will go everywhere.
And I like it, but I need a balloon to fix it.
Yeah.
And I have this pea popper. I like it because it's really nice and it's not hard to pop, and it's so cute. And the faces are gone because I play with it so much. I have this rainbow puppet that has a hole in it because my sister actually broke it. But I really like it.
But
it's so soft. The pops are literally so soft.
Yes.
And I have this tangle. It's a very classic tangle. Just like any normal tangle. Okay. And I have this stress ball from Claire's. There were ears in here, but they were cut off.
She cut them off.
It's a dough ball.
We don't even know how a dough ball feels like, but
it is a dough ball. Okay, I have this mini fidget spinner. My sister is obsessed with it. Sometimes she steals it. I'm just
No,
kidding.
I
No. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I have these freakish hard stress balls. I don't like them.
But she has a baseball one and it's like super soft. But it's in the living room.
And I have this simple dimple.
Simple dimple. Pop each.
There are some fidgets that I like. Make them fidgets.
This was mine. She took it without permission.
No, you are wearing my socks with no permission. How about that?
These are just some socks. Black socks.
Yeah, for my school.
Yeah, but now your school is online because you didn't take the vaccine.
So has you. I don't care. You should really, actually, like.
No, I like to do this like.
This Rubik's Cube, it's so hard to solve. Like, I hate them. I hate them.
But our cousin can literally solve them so fast.
So yeah. Stop touching my fidgets. And this sequence monkey noodly. So yeah.
Eat stupid hair.
This is from you. Okay, and these buttons, like, I can push them.
Wait, like these.
Wait, what? There is a paper in here. What does it say? It says... Oh my god. Oh my god.
It says eat something stupid. Like a cucumber.
We have this.
That was from a book.
Stop touching my fidgets.
Stop squeezing my hand like it's a squishy.
Because it is. And I have this thing that is
impossible.
no,
But our
actually,
mother,
my mom always solves it.
I
And
was
stop
gonna say
touching
that.
my fidgets.
Stupid.
I have this robot that I can twist his hands and legs, but too bad that I can't twist his neck. I have this Harley Quinn thingy.
That was from a Happy Meal.
Yeah.
And that's it. Bye guys. Yep.